Hello friend, I'm Ganesh Patil, spoken English trainer, motivational speaker and counselor. Today, we're going to see how we can show preferences. And there are two things in front of you, how you can show that one thing you like more than the other thing. There are four ways. One, you can simply use prefer to. For example, I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer Pune to Oxford. Here there are two things in first sentence. I prefer tea to coffee. Tea and coffee. So which one of the two I like? I prefer tea to coffee. It means I like tea more than coffee. In the second sentence, I prefer Pune to Oxford. There are two cities, Pune and Oxford, and to show that I like Pune more than Oxford, I am using prefer to. I prefer Pune to Oxford. The second way to show preference is using would rather than. For example, we can take I would rather go to Mahabaleshwar than Goa. There are two things, Mahabaleshwar and Goa. Which one I like most? I am using would rather than to show the preference. I would rather go to Mahabaleshwar than Goa. The first thing that comes after rather is preferred, and the second that comes after than is not preferred. I would rather go to Mahabaleshwar than Goa. In the same way, we can take another example. We would rather play cricket than watching TV. So there are two things, watching TV and playing cricket. So playing cricket is given preference using would rather than. Okay. So in this, when we make sentence in this way, we take subject in the beginning, then we take would, then rather, then first thing, then than, and then second thing that we do not prefer. Third way to show preference is by using comparative degree. We can make a sentence in comparative degree. I like sugarcane more than coffee. Gopal likes dancing more than singing. Here, Gopal likes dancing more than singing. There are two actions, dancing and singing. The preference is given to dancing. Fourth way to show preference is by using positive degree. In positive degree, two things are compared, and the thing that comes before first as is not preferred, but the thing that comes after the second as is preferred. For example, Gopal does not like singing as much as dancing. It means he likes dancing more than singing. I do not like coffee as much as sugarcane juice. Here there are two things, sugarcane juice and coffee. So I do not like coffee as much as sugarcane juice. So sugarcane juice is given preference. Let us have a look at all the four ways to show preference. Number one, prefer to. Number two, would rather dash than. Number three, comparative degree. And number four, positive degree. Let us see one example. I prefer tea to coffee. Prefer and to. I would rather go to Mahabaleshwar than Goa. Mahabaleshwar, Goa. Aditya likes sugarcane juice more than coffee. Sugarcane juice, coffee. Aditya does not like coffee as much as sugarcane juice. Coffee, sugarcane juice. Now let us have a look at all of them once again. Now you will tell me which one is preferred. First sentence, I prefer tea to coffee. Yes, tea. Second, I would rather go to Mahabaleshwar than Goa. Which city is preferred? Which place is preferred? Mahabaleshwar. Yes, that's right. Aditya likes sugar cane juice more than coffee. What does Aditya like more? Aditya does not like coffee as much as sugarcane juice. What does not Aditya like much? Yes, coffee. And he likes sugarcane more. So thus, the same thing you can show in four different ways.